Okay guys, here we have finally the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, the legendary tablet launched by Samsung at the Mobile World Congress Barcelona. We are going to give you a brief review of this tablet and let you know if it's worth buying it or not. The first thing, when you look at the tablet, it just looks wow because it's slim. If you check out the slimness, it's almost as slim as a normal pen, almost a little bit thicker than that, but when you compare the thickness, it's almost as slim as a pen. And this is the S Pen which comes with the Note. Apart from that, on the front you have two speakers here, one on the left and one on the right, and on the top you have a list of different options available. Let us just go through them one by one. The first one is the power on off key, the second one is volume up and down, the third one is for the micro SD card, and the fourth one is for the SIM which is actually for the 3G connectivity. And on the back you have a 3 megapixel autofocus camera with a 2 megapixel camera on the front, as you can see here. And the Note offers you with 1080p full HD playback. Apart from that, you have the connectivity option at the bottom. So what does the Note actually offer you when compared with the Samsung Galaxy Tab, which is already in the market from the past few years? So let us just put it up, and this is the home screen which you have with different panes on the screen. And this tablet actually comes up with a few dedicated applications like the My Story, Note highlighting, and a few more. Let us just check out the apps area and you can find this. If you check out the interface with the Samsung Galaxy Note 5.5, you can find that it's almost similar. When you also have the same applications there, like the S Memo application here in the Galaxy Note, Galaxy Note S Choice, and there are a few applications the very same way. There are a few dedicated applications here, like the Adobe Photoshop Touch, Adobe Ideas, S Note, S Suggest, Formula Match, and Shape Recognition. So there's a few applications which this tablet actually offers you. Let us just check out a few of these. On the home we have the My Story application, which offers you with preset options, like you can create a greeting card while you're traveling, or send you a thank you letter, or create a photo album with all the photos which you have already captured using this beautiful tablet. Let us just try to create a travel note. To get started, tap on the create option, and then you get the options listed here. You need to write the destination, date, members, whatever you want to fill it here, and then you can say like as you can see, the touch response is great, and this application actually offers you to add some music and then select the same and then go ahead with the same. So there are a few pre-installed applications which come in this tablet. And apart from that, if you are looking to buy a tablet, it's not to go for the Galaxy Tab, but go for the Galaxy Note, because it offers you with the S Pen and other capabilities with a few games which come pre-installed onto this. So this was the basic review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1, and in a few days we would be actually reviewing this device in detail on our blog once we get the hands on. Alright, thanks for watching.